This is how you make Lao-style Banh Cuon. It's a dish that comes from Vietnam and made its way into Laos. So you'll find these rice rolls in the morning as a street food. The first step is creating the filling. So heat up some oil and add minced garlic and diced onions and saute until it's translucent. Make sure you don't burn the garlic or else it will make the filling bitter. Once the onion is soft, add in the ground pork and you want to break up the clumps and cook this until it's no longer pink. It will take about 5 minutes. So let's start seasoning, and we're gonna add some fish sauce and oyster sauce and mix it well. So with the mushrooms, I rehydrated some and then I diced it up, and now we're gonna go ahead and toss it into the meat mixture. Saute the mixture for a few minutes and then go ahead and take it off the heat. And now we're gonna prepare the rice mixture. You want to make sure you get the right type of flour. So this is jasmine rice flour, and so don't get it mixed up with glutinous sticky rice flour because that's not the right one for this recipe. And then we also added some tapioca flour, salt, and you're gonna mix it really well. Following this, we're gonna add enough water for about 4 cups. And this is gonna make a small batch, probably enough for, I would say, 4 or 5 people. After you add the oil, you're gonna mix it well and then also put this to the side as we prepare the very special way of cooking this. This is a really fond memory because this was the first time I saw it cooked this way, and I was so fascinated by it because they used the sticky rice cooker. And so what I created here is a fabric that lays right on top of the bamboo basket, and then we have a metal contraption around there, and all you do is place your desired amount of the rice mixture on top, and you're gonna let it steam for about 1 minute or less, and it should look like this. And then it's really easy where you just put the filling right in the middle and you fold all of it right as it's still cooking. I just want to take a moment to thank everyone that's been on this Lao food journey with me. It's been an incredible experience to get your support. And so, thank you so much for watching, sharing, liking, and subscribing. If you want to continue supporting my page, another way of doing it is sending stars through Facebook. And I'm going to do a special giveaway with this video. I have another set of the metal contraption with the fabric. And so, I would love to give this to anyone that wants to try it out. So, I'm going to leave the rules down in the comments below. So hopefully anyone out there that wants to try this, you will enter the giveaway. All right. Wish you all the best and enjoy. I'm really excited to dig in. This is probably one of my childhood favorites. I would always go to this at parties first because I knew this would run out first. So I would get a huge plate and then just drizzle all that sauce on top. This is so good. This is Lao-style Banh Cuon, and we're just gonna dig right in. Deep fry your own shallots. It makes a huge difference. It's super crispy and fresh and fragrant. The rice rolls are extra soft because we made it Lao style, which means that we're steaming it over the sticky rice cooker, and everything's just super soft and just melts in your mouth. So I'm gonna go eat the rest of this, but let me know in the comments below how you all like eating your bangkuan, and I'll see you all next time on Saeng's Kitchen. Bye!